For the trading period October 1, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 11,322,881 units traded, representing 38.76% of market sales volume. Microfinance firm Access Financial Services Limited shares of 1,696,112 units traded, representing 6.57% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited shares of 1,413,946 units traded, representing 5.47% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 1, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $61.81 million purchased and US $64.58 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.99 per dollar, selling the US at $161.30 and buying the US at $159.72. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 4 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.03 and buying at $115.99. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.33 in profits, selling at $217.17 and buying at $215.84. For our credit report tip of the day, ambition without action stalls. You can talk about your goals, outline a vision board, and dream about wealth. But until you back it up with a credit report that proves you're ready, the bank isn't listening. Your credit report is not background paperwork. It is the front door to funding. When a lender pulls that report, they're asking, can this person handle responsibility? Do they honor their commitments? Can they be trusted with more? If your report says yes, doors open. If it says no, even the sharpest pitch gets pushed aside. That means you cannot afford to be passive. You must attack your credit like it's part of your business strategy. Pull your report, scrutinize every line, clear errors, crush balances, negotiate late marks, build a history that screams consistency. Every one of these moves is a calculated strike toward credibility. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.